Hello, friends. Today I'm going to show you an animated video that I made with the help of artificial intelligence. Here's the video.
Once upon a time, in a peaceful village, there lived two friends named Tim and Tom. They were both kind-hearted and loved helping others.
If you want to create a video like this, you will need to follow some basic tips. First, go to chat.openai.com. To generate the script for the story, I'm asking chat-gpt to write the best short moral story for kids in 150 words. After submitting the request, it will provide me with the script in 150 words. Next, I will ask it to create 5 best titles for this story. Here are the top 5 titles for the story. Now, for the interesting part, I will ask it to write the prompts, which I will use to generate images. Now we will go to ttsfree.com. Copy the script and paste it here to generate the voice. Click the Convert Now button. It will take a few minutes to convert the text into voice. Next, we will go to app.leonardo.ai. Click on AI Image Generation. Copy one prompt and paste it here. We will generate 2 different images using the same prompt. We can select the 16:9 ratio, which is best for YouTube videos. Now click on the Generate button. Here are 2 images generated from our prompts. We can choose the best one for our video. Click the Download Image button to download the image. Go to convert.leapix.com. Click on the plus icon to select our image. Click on the share icon. Select the MP4 button. Click on the Save button, and it will download an MP4 video for us. Open any video editor. Import all the MP4 videos and the script voice. Add all the videos to the timeline. Add the script voice under the timeline.
Once upon a time, in a
Now click on the Export button. It will export our story into one short video file. Go to pictory.ai. Select our edited video by clicking the Proceed button. Click on the Upload button and select our edited video. Click on the Proceed button. It will take a few minutes to generate the subtitles. Our subtitles have been generated successfully.
Once upon a time, in a peaceful village, there lived two friends named Tim and Tom.
Now, click on the download video button. That's it. We have created our animated video with the help of different AI tools. If you like this video, please subscribe to my channel and hit the like button. Thank you.